Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage blog. In this video, you will learn how to paint clear glass or plastic Christmas ornaments. There are a few supplies that you'll need before you begin this project. You'll need your clear glass or plastic Christmas ornaments, of course, acrylic paint in the color of your choice, paper towels, an empty container that will hold your ornament while it dries, and any kind of decorations that you want to add. The first thing that you'll want to do is to remove the tops from your Christmas ornaments and set those tops aside. And then next, you will pour paint into your Christmas ornament. I like to pour a little bit on each side. So for these square glass ornaments, I like to pour maybe 4 in each corner. So 1 squirt in each corner of the ornament. So if you're using these glass cube-shaped ornaments, you'll use 1 squirt of paint in each corner. If you have the round, the globe, or the flat disc-shaped ornaments, you'll still probably do 4 squirts front, back, and each side inside of the ornament. And then you want to roll it around, tilt it, tap it against your hand to get the paint completely coated the inside of the ornament. So like I said, once you have your paint in your ornament, you want to roll it, tilt it, kind of shake it around. I find that tapping against the palm of my hand helps to get the paint moving around really well. And you just keep doing that until the whole entire inside of the ornament is coated well with the paint. Like I said, you just continue rolling, tilting, tapping the ornament against the palm of your hand, and just do that until the ornament is completely covered with paint on the inside. Once you have it completely covered, you'll want to rest your ornament upside down in a paintbrush holder, an empty water bottle, egg crate, solo cup, something like that. So let it sit for 10 or 15 minutes upside down, and then turn it over and let it rest again for 10 or 15 minutes. And to do this for about an hour, I find is the best results. And then let it dry completely overnight before you do any decorating. Put the cap back on your ornament, and then you are ready to decorate it any way you want. You can use your Cricut or your silhouette and cut out vinyl and put decorations on your ornament like the Ray Dunn inspired ornaments. You can add little decorative berries and pine cones, or just leave it the way it is, all nicely painted. Your possibilities are really endless with all the paint color options and all the decorative options. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and that it will encourage you to make something handmade this holiday season. Be sure to like this video if it was helpful to you, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll get notifications of new videos, and hop over to the Birch Cottage blog and subscribe to my newsletter. And you'll also want to be sure to check out Ideas for the Home by Canary, where you'll find the full written version of this tutorial. Thanks again, and please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.